Hi, welcome to Baby Adventure. In this video, we will look into OBD2 port connections for Yezdi Adventure. 16 pin is red wire, that is 12 volts. So towards the left, last pin at the bottom. And from right to left on the top, 1, 2, 3, fourth one is the ground. We put a black wire for you. So all this color coding for identification purpose. You can place the wires as you wish. And after 4, leaving a fifth pin on the top. 6 is the can high. It is a green wire on the top towards the left. And right opposite to the 6th pin there is 14th pin beside 16th one, leaving 15 at the bottom. So that is can low. Carefully connect the connectors. Look for the intersections or shorts. Take care that a pin does not touch 2 pins here. Once you connected the wires, just remove the seat using your key, and here is your OBD2 connector. So it's a close-up look. So once you remove it, this step is not necessary. For video purpose and educational purpose, I thought of making it. There is a plastic kind of knob over every pin. We have to press it with a scissor or thin structure so that it unlocks the pin. We can remove it out. For any reason, if you want to access these pins, this is how you remove it. After removing the pins, I will show you the look. So that is the plastic thing. We have to press upwards and it releases the respective pin. So here the pin is placed and we have to press the pin, press the plastic obstruction kind of thing upwards. So we have to press like that so that we can drag the pin outside. Once you are familiar with the wiring, you need not remove like this, but for a clear view I am showing it. Here is once more. So once the wires are connected accurately, taken care that it does not merge with the other wires. So white and with yellow line is yellow, can low, white with green line is can high, green line red to red, that is 12 volts, black to black is ground. So taken care that no two wires match or else it will blow the fuse. For any reason you happen to short those wires and ignition is not starting on, so check for the fuse box. You might have blown a fuse and the light should on like this. So for safe step, first connect the 12 volts and ground, check the light is on, then connect the other two wires. Here this is the Torque Pro app that is available in Play Store or iOS, I guess. So it costs around 240 rupees. It's a paid version. So once it is connected, it shows device connected. In my thing it did not connect. Why? Because my model is 2022 SD and it does not compliant with the OBD2, which is a very big drawback. If I happen to glow that engine light on the run, I can't even diagnose myself even after knowing this what is the cause. if yours happen to be OBD2, it is very lucky. Once these connections are made, it connects in a blink of eye, and you can read your real-time information, read fault codes, etc. So how to connect ELM 327 with our OBD? So these are the steps. Just follow the video. Once all the connections are done and your diagnosis is completed, switch off the ignition. Just place the pins as it is where they are. So coming to the OBD2 connection, here in my case, my bike doesn't support the OBD2 completely. As I researched about it, it might be a private proprietary protocol that only available in Bosch scan tools. So it is not generally accessible. It's a very big drawback for people kind of me. But if it happened to be OBD2, you're lucky. You can use this connection carefully and read your onboard diagnostics. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.